We did call it on the channel a move for PEPE, but is this just the beginning? The meme coin space feels like it's ready to explode once again. We're going to explore why my view on PEPE is that we are still pretty undervalued. If that's something you like, stick around. It's going to get good. Let's do it. So what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss a beat in this cryptocurrency bull market. And I want to talk about PEPE. Now, it feels like a minute since we've discussed this coin, but overall market right now, $2.63 trillion with Bitcoin around 69,700. If we take a look at the meme space, we can see a $65 billion market cap trading just under $10 billion on the day, which is actually up. Now, remember, going into the weekend, we generally do cool off in terms of trading volume. However, we see PEPE has dropped to the number 4 meme coin with Dog with Hat taking over. Don't forget, I've got a video going to come out specifically about Dog with Hat and some insane price predictions you're going to want to see, so stick around for that. But PEPE is up 4.9% on the day, trading around that 811 range, still over $1 billion in volume and holding a $3.4 billion market cap. Now, we know PEPE had a massive rise up, and a lot of people still predict this is very early on. If you were to take the cryptocurrency market expected predictions of around $7.5 trillion at all-time highs, then PEPE for me is still incredibly undervalued, and there's a number of reasons why I believe that. Namely, we are starting to see whales accumulating once again. You know what people say, follow the smart money in this game and you generally get to where you're going. Now, we do know over $3.9 million of PEPE was transferred in one single transaction in Binance. And you can see there, the PEPE coin reap massive profits. What's interesting with this is they are taking profits and then reinvesting it back in as price comes down. We know that whales are accumulating, expecting a huge rally and significant move in the market. Some taking profits of nearly $8 million and then reinvesting that back into the PEPE ecosystem. Furthermore, we do know that ultimately the holder count still edges ever closer to 200,000 holders. And this is actually a monumental moment. Thinking 200,000 holders all within the PEPE ecosystem suddenly starts to become pretty interesting. And we can see continuous transactional volume going through, not only on the centralized exchanges, but also on the DEX. What's even more interesting when you come to looking at the social sentiment right now is that actually the meme coin narrative is exactly the same as PEPE. The graph here on the screen, the red line is ultimately what the search volume is for meme coins, and the blue line is for PEPE. What does that tell us? Well, PEPE is the gateway to the meme coin space. A lot of people would search for meme coins and ultimately therefore go and look for PEPE. This shows that we could be in for an explosive move as people move into the market. We're still yet to get new retail investors and people for the first time investing in crypto, and it looks like they may be choosing PEPE or Dog with Hat. Stick around, that one's going to get good. But the reality here is globally, PEPE is getting a significant reach and a lot of people are looking to get into this coin. We can see that in both accumulation of holders and, more importantly, the stabilization of where the price is at these new highs. So taking a look at the price chart, we can see here a couple of key metrics that we need to be mindful of. We see a MACD bullish cross could be coming in very soon, which shows us again a good estimate of where price is going to go. And RSI is in the perfect position for an upward trend. Now, we talked a lot on my live stream about this number here, which is the 50-day simple moving average. And given the explosive trend on that, again, once again, tells us where the price might be going. Now, we do have a key line here of resistance around that 8.6 range, which we did manage to break through as we pushed up to all-time highs. With the market correction, we did break back through, however, having a retest on the way back down. The key thing here, though, is getting back above this line is going to be critical in terms of putting that. We want to see the retest and then use this as support before we start to build consolidation for a further push to the upside. So in the short term, PEPE looks like it's set for another move. We've already had a good 5% move on the back of a video I dropped the other day, talking exactly why I thought PEPE was about to move. And my view is, as we move nearer the halving, PEPE could be gearing up for something pretty big. We don't know what PEPE is going to do in a bull market, but what we do know is we've seen an explosive move of well over 200% in no time at all. And actually, from the bottom to the top, in the last 3 or 4 months, we've actually seen nearly a 700% gain in PEPE. There could be significantly more to come. Is it going to be the first multi-billion-dollar market cap? Well, someone's got to do it. And if you think about the market in total going at $7.5 trillion, well, PEPE might not be a bad investment. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Where do you think PEPE's price is going to be by the end of the all-time high? As always, thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and look out for my next Dog with Hat video. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.